Quiz 2013 and Kulturang Pinoy Quiz Wiz 2012. Third honors in Individual Merit Awardee, MTOP 2013, National Capital Region, Area 2 Division. He passed the Philippine Science High School National Competitive Examination this year, Quezon City Science High School Entrance Examination, Ateneo de Manila High School Entrance Examination. He is also the first honors in grade 5 BTS batch 2011 to 2012. Excellence in math, excellence in reading, excellence in science, and Achievers Award. He is also the top notcher in the Center for Educational Measurement Incorporated or CEM Diagnostic Tests. Second place in English, first place in math, first place in reading, first place in science. He is also the Student Honor Roll Gold Awardee 2012 for Kumon Sofitel Philippine Plaza Hotel in Manila. And he is also the second place in UNTV 2012 Campus Challenge Season 2. And also the PETA Theater Center, Imor Drive, New Manila, Quezon City.
To our Honorable DEC President, Senator Vicky M.L. Cosete, to our AVP for Academic Affairs, Ms. Lizette P. Ventura, to our GS Principal, Dr. Carolina R. Duca, to our Assistant Principal for Academics, Ms. Jennifer L. Santos, to our ECE Coordinator, Ms. Daphne Grace Goodell, and to our distinguished guests, parents, friends, and fellow Filipinos. A pleasant morning to all. Early childhood education is the start of one's schooling. It may be not easy or hard, but it's good. This prepares you to graduate to the great school life. The children we have here today are experiencing one of the highlights of their life. It is without doubt that graduation is a very memorable day for each and every one of you, for all of you recognized with all the outstanding achievements you have done this year. However, there are still more challenges that await you, as a witness. I still remember the time when I was a graduate like you. I was awarded with medals and certificates. I enrolled at DPS for my elementary years, starting from grade 1 until I became grade 6. I had not learned during my elementary years, but don't expect that the lessons are easy. Actually, they are harder than you think, but I really do know you can. For me, I even had fun studying with my teachers and classmates. You also get to join many activities such as the math and science lab, the music week, and the intramurals, and lots more. You will encounter many contests, programs, and get to learn more with some of our not so strict teachers and some of our For me, I was in another perspective. I competed in different schools. I met friends even from other countries. I joined all sorts of fun contests and activities. There's some that I won and some that I lost, but that doesn't matter because during my elementary years, it's all about studying hard while having fun. Then, I turned out to be successful. First, I was lost in adding numbers, but now I get the hang of such geometry. You see, I also did things that I know you're going to try doing. I study hard as much as I can. Yeah, it might be boring, but you have to put, and it might put yourself to sleep, but really, it can be fun. You just have to find a way to make it more exciting. You can answer puzzles or educational games in the internet. It's all up to you because you own your future. If you want to be an actor or any ambition you want to, then study hard. Studying hard is not the only thing you should do. You should pray to God for all the blessings He has done for you. Even might not be in math, science, or language. Last, always thank your family, your teachers, and your friends for helping you attain a goal. Never hesitate to ask help from them because they're made to help you every time you have a problem. Remember these things if you're faced with a problem. Remember, just come and pray to God. But actually, without prayer is useless, so you must also study hard. As I have said, study hard and develop good study habits because your future relies on your hands. Second, you need to persevere and do the best you can. Trying without doing your best is worthless. What is that? Next, accept what God gave you and observe sportsmanship. Always congratulate others, even though you're not honest. Even though you're accepting things or not, accept and don't run away. You also need to be patient if you want to pursue your dreams. It takes time, but it will if you work hard. Obeying rules and regulations, and lastly, thank everyone. I would like to see you in the next weekend celebration, especially the Facebook and the high school. Maybe one of you may be the next president, the next valedictorian, or maybe the next pope. Who knows? And only time will tell. Good luck for your next journey in making your dreams come true. If I can, you can. Thank you.